Hello YouTube followers, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Before going to the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed our channel, or you are a non-subscriber, or you are new on our channel, then kindly please do subscribe our channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of our channel. In this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, unique, multicolor granny square patterns, simple easy crochet patterns, cotton crochet dresses. And there are variety of dresses in which we have bell bottom sleeve dresses, half length dresses, full length dresses, knee length short top dresses, bell bottom sleeves along with circular bottline, neckline, some flared batwing sleeves, some sleeveless dresses, having some quarter dresses and some backless dresses. There is a variety of dresses, and there are different color contrast dresses of two color dresses, multicolor dresses, and much more. These design patterns are specifically designed to comfort the wearer in summers and give him a classy and unique stylish look, and give a fine celebrity type look. So if you know how to knit, or you know how to work with crochet, then this entire collection is up to you and totally a good solution to all of your design problems. And if you don't know how to knit or how to crochet a thing, then don't worry, you can simply show these designs to a nearby professional who used to knit things. By taking some money, then you can have your summer dress for yourself and become a designer to yourself, rather than going to special designers, taking appointments, wasting a lot of time and money. So I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, kindly do share the video among your friends and family so that they could also get these amazing, stylish and classy ideas. And if you like these ideas, then kindly do try these and get yourselves very comfy and stylish dresses, especially for summer. So take care and goodbye. We will soon be back with you along with some new, trendy, popular and fashionable designs. Now on our channel you can see every category of women fashion, that is dress designing, footwear, ladies bags, girls fashionable accessories, nail art, makeup stuff, cosmetics information and much more. So do subscribe and keep watching our channel on daily basis. Thank you, take care, stay blessed.